Can you
Starlight.
tell your It's
Story time!
what's the
Story time! Story time!
Oh, you tell me first.
Story time!
What's his name? What's his name?
Woody.
It's Woody. Wow. Go and show it to your classmate. Show it to your classmate. And tell something about Woody. Can you tell something about Woody? Ay, hila na nila lahat. Okay, stop. Go, dude, you show it to your classmate. Natuwa. Woody. What's his name again?
Woody.
It's? Hello.
Okay na, Paige.
Okay. So, Luch brought Woody. See? Nakutin siya. Siranan niya yung box.
Sa gitna na to, pagtapos na.
Sa gilid. Hindi siya sira.
Hindi, pag-isisave ko.
Nasa save yan. See? We have, what is the color of the hat? It's color brown. Very good. Okay, wait first. Put mo yung hat ni Woody. Yan. Tell something about Woody. Luge, tell something about Woody. Tell something about Woody. Is this your favorite toy?
Yes.
Yes. Wow. Ay, wala ginagis yung hat.
Okay na.